Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain 10th class CBSE last year solution paper. So we have 6 questions of 1 mark. The first question we are asked is, what is the value of 6 cos square 67 degree minus sin square 23 degree? So if we know the basics of trigonometry, we know the property is cos square theta is equal to sin square 90 minus theta. So if we substitute the value of theta is 67, so we get cos square 67 is equal to sin square 90 minus 67. Just calculating, 90 minus 67 give up to be sin square 23. So we substitute the sin square 23 in place of cos square 67. We get cos square 67 minus this we need to find. We substitute the value of cos square 67 as sin square 23 and minus sin square 23, and they both cancel out and give the answer as 0. The second question that we were asked is, in an AP, if the common difference D is equal to minus 4 and the 7th term is 4, then find the first term. So we know that nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. The nth term of an AP you are given as 7th term is equal to 4 and the difference you are given as minus 4. So if you substitute 7 in place of n, we get A7 is equal to A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That is A7 equal to A plus 60. We need to find the value of A. We are given A7 and we are given D. So A7 is 4. A we need to find. D is minus 4. Just calculating. So you can get A is 4 plus 24, that is 28. The answer. So these are two questions, both are of 1 mark. The third question that we were asked is, we are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and if AB by PQ is equal to 1 by 3, then find the ratio of area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR. So it's just a simple property based question. If you know the two triangles are similar, we are given the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of a ratio of square of their sides. Simply, you are given AB by PQ is 1 by 3. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to the square of the side ratio that you are given as 1 by 3. The square of this will be 1 by 9, and this is the answer. The next 1 mark question which was asked is, what is the HCF of smallest prime number and the smallest composite number? So first of all, we need to know what is the prime number and what is composite number. So prime numbers are which have only that particular number as a factor and 1 as a factor. For example, 2 if you take, so 2 can be divisible either by 2 or by 1. So that kind of numbers are prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these all are prime numbers. Composite number, the numbers which are not prime number are simply composite numbers. Can be 4, 6, 8, 10, which have more than 2 factors. Like that number as well as like 4 has 2 as a factor, 4 itself as a factor and 1 as a factor. So it has more than 2 factors. So the smallest prime number is 2. Most of the students generally do this mistake, taking smallest prime number as 1, but that is completely wrong. Smallest prime number is 2 and smallest composite number is 4. So we need to find the HCF of 2 and 4. HCF is the highest common factor out of these. So if we take the factor of 2, it will be 2 and 1. We take the factor of 4, it will be 2 into 2 into 1. So what is common is 2 as well as 1. So if we multiply both of these, so the answer will be 2. So the HCF of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number is 2. The other question is, find the distance of a point Pxy from the origin. Origin means, first of all, 0, 0. Like the x coordinate as well as the y coordinate, both are 0. We need to find the distance from a point x, y. So there is a particular distance x and on the x-axis and y distance on the y-axis. So we need to find the distance from the origin to the point P. So let's suppose there is a line. This is our origin and this is point P. So we need to find this distance. So simple distance formula. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. You can take anyone as x2, anyone as y2. Let's suppose this is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. So we know x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. So that will be x square plus y square. This is the answer. So the next question is, if x equal to 3 is one root of the quadratic equation x square minus 2kx minus 6 is equal to 0, then find the value of k. So you are given x equal to 3 is one root of a quadratic equation. One root means if you substitute x equal to 3 in this particular equation, it should give the value as 0. So we will just substitute it, x square minus 2kx minus 6, substitute x equal to 3 whole square minus 2 into k to 3 minus 6. Once you substitute this value, it should give the value as 0. 9 minus 6k minus 6. Just a bit simplification. 3 minus 6k is equal to 0. So 6k is equal to 3. And k will be equal to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. So these were 1 mark question that was asked in last year question paper of CBSE class 10th. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please comment.